Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Yes, today we are going to learn a new alphabet. Okay children, so are you ready to learn a new alphabet? Yes, as I always tell you that there are 26 alphabets and I hope you remember your alphabets. Okay, so let's say once the alphabets. Okay, come on. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Good job. So today, which alphabet are we going to pick from this? Okay, so the alphabet that I am going to teach you is letter M. Yes children, we are going to learn letter M. Okay, so I want you to see how letter M looks. So here, yes children, this is letter M, uppercase M. Okay, so I hope you'll be able to identify the letter M. Now let's see the sound of letter M. Okay, so what is the sound for letter M? The sound for letter M is M. Yes, can you please repeat? The sound for letter M is M. Okay, so I'm going to tell you a story. Yes, the story of letter M. Okay, here we go. Once there was a monkey. Monkey. M for monkey. M says monkey. Now what did this monkey do? This monkey, he played in the mud. Mud. Okay. M says M for mud. Mud. Now, as he was playing in this mud, what happened? He made a mess. Mess. Okay. So, now what happened? Oh no, said the mother. Mother. M for mother. Mother. Yes, children. So, did you see that? And I hope you like the story. M for monkey. M for mud. M for mess. And M for monkey. So, now children, I am going to show you some pictures with letter M. So, here we go. Yes, look at this. I know you all know what is this. That's right. This is mango and we all love mangoes, right? So, M for mango. M says mango. Now, the next picture. Yes, this is mushroom. M says M for mushroom. Okay. So now let's move to the next picture. What is this, children? Yes, this is milk. Yes, I hope you all drink milk every day. Yes, milk makes you strong. M says M for milk. Now the next picture. Now what is this, children? Yes, you always see this attached to a computer, a laptop, right? So what is this, children? This is a mouse. Yes, this is called a mouse. M says M for mouse. So children, I hope you have seen some pictures from letter M and I hope you'll be able to identify all those pictures. So now children, I am going to teach you how to write letter M. Okay, so you all ready to see how to write letter M? So here we go. Okay children, so this is M. M says mo, M for monkey. So let's write M. Put a standing line and then a slanting line and then another slanting line and then a standing line. So children, this is how you write letter M. Put a standing line, then a slanting line, then another slanting line, and here you go. This is how you write letter M. Okay. So children, can you repeat? This is uppercase M. This is uppercase M. Standing line, a slanting line, and then another standing line. This is your uppercase M. Can you repeat children? This is letter M. This is letter M. So this is how you write letter M. So now we finished tracing. So now we are going to write M. So keep your pencil on the red line. Go down to this dot here. Then put like this slanting line, another slanting line, and then straight line. This is your letter M. This is your letter M. Uppercase M. Leave this, don't write here. M says mo, M for monkey. Come on children. Can you tell me this? Which letter is this? This is letter M. This is your letter M. This is how you write letter M. Leave this. This is your letter M. So now you will be able to identify letter M, right? And you know the sound of letter M. M sounds mo. M for monkey. That's right children. So here we go. This is your uppercase M. So this is your letter M. Okay children. So I hope you have understood how to write letter M. Yes, I want you to practice this. Okay. So take care children. Take care of your health and I'll see you soon. Bye.